In this video, I'll show you how we can run one TypeScript file. So the first thing you need to install Node.js. So you can just go to this Node.js, their official website, and you can download the latest version. Then let me create one folder. Suppose it is my project, and let me go here inside this my project, and let me initialize one npm project here. Okay, so I'm opening it on VS Code. Now we can use this command to install TypeScript for this npm project. So we have one package.json file. So here, if I use npm install TypeScript minus save dev, then it will be added as dev dependency. So you can see that TypeScript is added as the dev dependency. And if you want to use it for any other TypeScript file, then we can use it as npx tsc. So let me create one more folder, tsc examples, tsc examples. I don't have any file. Let me create one file, example.ts. This is a TypeScript file. So if I open this folder in VS Code, so I need to install TypeScript before I can use it. So I have installed it using npm TypeScript. Then I can use npx tsc example.ts. Now you can see that one JavaScript file is created, and we can run this JavaScript file using node example.js. Then you can see that hello world is created. Similarly, if you don't want to use npm, then also you can use yarn. So this package.log.json file is created because we use npm. Let me delete these both folders, and I can use yarn. So for yarn, we need to use yarn add, this one, yarn add TypeScript. Now it added the TypeScript here, and yarn.log file is created. Now we can run this yarn tsc. Okay, we need to give the file path. Yes, it will again replace this JS file. Let me delete the JS file. Now yarn tsc example.ts. Then it created this JS file. Now we can use node to run this JS file. So this is the way you can install TypeScript, and you can try different TypeScript commands on your local system. So that's all for now. If you love this video, please like it and please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, please drop a comment below. Thanks. Bye.